Did you know that over 800,000 pilots are certified to fly in the United States alone? That's a lot of responsibility resting on the shoulders of the Federal Aviation Administration, or FAA. The FAA plays a crucial role in ensuring the safety of our skies by setting and enforcing strict regulations. But why are these regulations so important, and are they really necessary? Some pilots view FAA regulations as overly burdensome or restrictive. However, it's crucial to remember that these rules exist for a reason. They are there to prevent accidents and protect lives both in the air and on the ground. Think of it like this. Would you feel safe driving on a highway with no speed limits or traffic signals? Just like traffic laws on the road, FAA regulations help maintain order in the skies. They ensure that all pilots operate within a framework designed to minimize risks and promote safety. In the next section, we'll delve deeper into why FAA approval is not just a formality but a pilot's best friend. FAA approval is the cornerstone of aviation safety. It signifies that an aircraft, a pilot, or an airline meets the stringent standards set by the FAA. This approval is not given lightly. It involves rigorous testing, inspections, and ongoing evaluations to ensure compliance with safety regulations. For pilots, obtaining FAA certification is a testament to their skills and knowledge. It demonstrates their ability to operate an aircraft safely and responsibly. This certification process covers everything from theoretical knowledge to practical flying skills, ensuring pilots are well equipped to handle various situations. But FAA approval goes beyond individual pilots. It extends to aircraft maintenance, air traffic control procedures, and even the design and manufacturing of aircraft components. This comprehensive approach helps create a multi-layered safety net, minimizing the risk of accidents. By adhering to FAA regulations and obtaining the necessary approvals, we contribute to a safer aviation environment for everyone. In the following section, we'll address some common misconceptions about FAA approval and shed light on why it's essential for pilots to embrace these regulations. There are some common misconceptions surrounding the FAA and its role in aviation. Some pilots believe that the FAA is simply out to make their lives difficult with endless paperwork and bureaucratic hurdles. Others question the necessity of certain regulations, viewing them as excessive or irrelevant. It's important to remember that the FAA's primary mission is not to be a hindrance but to ensure safety. Their regulations are not arbitrary. They are based on years of research, data analysis, and lessons learned from past accidents and incidents. The FAA's role is to constantly evolve and adapt its regulations to address emerging trends and technologies in aviation. This dynamic approach helps maintain the highest safety standards and protect lives. By understanding the rationale behind FAA regulations, pilots can move beyond viewing them as mere obstacles. Instead, they can appreciate the crucial role these rules play in creating a safer and more reliable aviation system. The consequences of neglecting FAA approval can be severe, not just for pilots but for everyone involved in aviation. A lack of proper certification can lead to accidents, loss of life, and significant financial burdens. Let's look at a real-life example to illustrate this point. In 2009, a Colgan Air flight crashed near Buffalo, New York, tragically killing all 49 people on board and one person on the ground. The investigation revealed that pilot error, inadequate training, and fatigue played significant roles in the accident. The airline faced heavy scrutiny for its safety practices and training programs, which were found to be lacking in several areas. This tragic incident highlights the importance of adhering to FAA regulations and ensuring all pilots receive proper training and certification. It serves as a stark reminder that shortcuts in aviation safety can have devastating consequences. FAA approval is not just a piece of paper, it represents a commitment to safety and a responsibility towards the lives entrusted to pilots and airlines. By embracing these regulations and working collaboratively with the FAA, we can continue to make air travel one of the safest modes of transportation in the world. What are your thoughts on the FAA's role in aviation safety? Share your opinions and join the conversation on our social media channels. Let's work together to ensure safer skies for everyone.